everyone, this is Carly from Connectical Machinery Limited. Today we are at Luoyang YTO factory, which produces a series of products, construction machinery and agricultural machinery. Most are tractors. And today we are focused on the tractors YTO. The tractor is named NLX954 and this horsepower range from meaning 50 horsepower, 70 horsepower, 100 horsepower, and to 118 horsepower. This 195 horsepower tractor model is here, and the letter YT, is the observation of YTO, and number N stands for square shape casing. Letter L stands for is produced in Luoyang, and letter X means it has a letter X chassis. And 195 means 95 horsepower, and 4 stands for there are 4-wheel drive. And you can see this tractor is behind me. And now I will give you a brief introduction. Let's look at the tires. Our tires are off-road tires, so we can still work briskly on muddy grounds. The engine adopts the direct injection engine with 2 pumps of national tube. Now I'm at the tractor's cab, and you can see the cab has the air condition, and which give us a comfortable working condition, and our seats are adjustable. And our gear is 24 forward gears and 8 receive gears. Our tractor attached YT engine, and the whole weight of tractor is 58 kilograms. In the end, we have a different horsepower tractors. So if you're interested in these tractors, just feel free to contact me, and I will give you the best price. Goodbye.